Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explain the standard for error correction functionality in visionCATS, a powerful tool for improving analytical consistency by compensating for track-to-track variations during evaluation. The standard for error correction can be used to automatically correct peak heights or areas. To enable this functionality, one substance must be defined as the correction standard. This substance should be present on every track, applied in the same amount, and exhibit behavior similarly to the analytes of interest. These conditions are essential to ensure a reliable and meaningful correction. During evaluation, visionCATS compares the peak height or peak area of the correction standard on each track with the average value calculated from the reference tracks. Based on this comparison, a correction factor is determined for each track. This factor is then applied to the peak values of all other substances, compensating for systematic variations and normalizing the analytical data across the plate. In the Results tab, visionCATS provides an information message indicating that a standard for error correction has been applied to the evaluation whenever this feature is used. By reducing track-to-track variability, the standard for error correction helps improve the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of your analytical results. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.